Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at our baby. Our baby wants to go to bed. She wants to go to bed, but when she lays on the bed, there's something ouchy in it. And she says, I can't sleep. There's something in my bed. What did we find in her bed? It's a whisk. She can mix things. Maybe it's a boy baby. He can mix things. Mix, mix, mix. The baby is mixing. Mix, mix, mix. The baby is mixing. Okay, we got the whisk out of your bed. Now you can go to sleep. Oh no! There's still something in the bed. There was the number 6 in the baby's bed. The number 6, 6, 6, the number 6. The number 6 was in the baby's bed. Okay, now you can go to sleep. What? There's something else in the bed. What did we find? It is a box. There was a box in the baby's bed. A box was in the baby's bed. A box. A box. We found a box in the bed. Okay, time for sleep. What? There's still something in your bed? What could it be? There was a fox. A fox. A fox in the baby's bed. A fox. A fox. We found a fox in his bed. Okay, now it's time for sleep. What? There's something more? There's something more in the bed? Oh, it's a mouse, a computer mouse, and we need to fix it. I can fix the mouse. Fix, fix. I fixed it by putting the batteries in. Fixed the mouse. Now you can go to sleep, baby. Let me tuck you in. Thank you. Good night. We found a fox. We found a box. We found the number 6. We found a whisk to mix. And we found a mouse we could fix. And now the baby can go to bed. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.